What's up with the stickers?
3. I'm just seeing what the ratio is. Since the small gear has less teeth than the big gear will spin the small gear faster than it's spinning. So we'll count this as 0, and then if you say 1, 2, and 3.
Nice.
So the little one has 3 revolutions for every single revolution of the big one. And vice versa. So if I'm spinning the little one, it's going to take a long time for me to get the big one to go around once.
And we used these to handy some kind of file sticker.
Yeah. And it powers our rocket launcher. We want to make the rocket launcher go fast for a short arm movement myself, so I have to use the least amount of energy to launch
it into
the claw into the dog. So this is a ratchet, so you can rotate the gears one way, but then the rack will be pulled down by gravity, and it can be pushed aside when it's spinning this direction, but when you try to spin the other direction, it gets jammed. So you can only spin these gears in one direction, otherwise they get stopped. So what is it? 3 to 1, 2 to 1, 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3. That's what it is.
Spin it.
All right.
Oh, it's so satisfying to watch.
If I didn't move any of them, they should all line up at the end.
Yeah. But how many, and is it one full spin of the big one?
One full spin of the big one. They should all line up at the end. But I slipped a little bit. Close. I didn't spin this one enough. There we go. Get that one. That's more like it.